Today I'm going to be showing you quickly how to lubricate your garage door to make it run quieter. I'm going to be using this low temp lubricate. Basically, I'm going to be applying just with my finger the grease on the track a little bit, not too much, on both sides, this side there. And also I'm going to be lubricating my track over there along the track where the carriage is moving. Okay, just lightly. You don't want to go too crazy with the grease and make a mess out of it, I have rolled down the door, so I'm going to be applying grease along the track. Let's see how it runs now. Not bad. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe below, and I will sure to make some more videos for you guys. And let me know what you think and what you like to see. Any questions? Let me know. Have a good day now. See you later. Bye.